onye nwere gị siri ike. My name is Governor Zoku, son of the great Shanamite that lives among the angels. Update. Tonight, we learn from events. Well, let me bring down the volume. Good evening, everyone. You must learn from events. I want to show you something. You must learn from events. When things keep unfolding, you must learn. Annie Humphrey, you're welcome. Son of the great Shanamite, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Governor Zoku loves you, brother. Listen. Abumuwa ke chuku, abumuwa ke dadi, ekwense wegike nebemna, wegike nebemna ye. Let me go straight to the point. Update for today. Ijele and those his bimbo friends filed a bail application in the law court. I'm not against that. File for your bail, there's no problem. But you see this his mouth. This Wewu applied for bail through the same means Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been applying for bail that he criticized. The laws of karma. This truth, I will say it. There is nothing you can do about it. It grieves your heart. You may be against us at the comment section, but beside your bed, that is where they come and wait for you. You will meet it. You will meet it. Now, this boy, I call him boy because I Monyenka. Or he could be my mate. Otto God himself is just a boy. I know bloggers, your ears are open to hear. This guy filed for bail at the High Court. I am not against that. But let me tell you one thing. Neither am I supporting Nnamdi Kanu on what is going on in Southeast. I'm not in support of that. But I still want him to gain his freedom. Number one, by blood. He's my brother. By the virtues of saying the truth, there are things this man has said that happens to be the truth, such as split the seaport. Split the seaport. It is not a crime. Make life easy for the common man. It's not a crime. Bring equity and justice. Give us president. It's not a crime. This is a video. Keep it. Any I print poster, bring it to question me. Opening your mouth to say, give my people equal right and justice. Let life be better for the common man. It's not a crime. I will drop my number, sir. Kevin, my number is 091. Somebody should help me comment my number here. My number is 091. You just asked for my number. Mr. Kevin, are you ready to type? Let me call my number. My number is 091 300 091. I repeat again, 300 651 and 70. I repeat the number again, Mr. Kevin. You just requested for my number. I'll continue what I'm saying. This truth, I will say it. I will hold on to the truth and nothing will happen. Even if anything happens, our graves will be designed. It will be designed. We will be honored as heroes. Thank you. Levels Global, thank you for commenting my number there. 091 300 651 and 70. That's my number. Track me. Do anything. I'm not talking to you, Mr. Kevin. I'm talking to other people. Now that a man was asking for equal right and justice, even to those in the northern, as in the northern Kaduna, it's not a crime. It's not a crime. Now let me tell you one thing that happened today at the Federal High Court, where this boy filed, him and his whiskey boys and friends, where they filed an application for bail. Now listen to me. I will still post it in the public so that you will see. Karma is real. Karma. I am only using this thing. I'm only using, okay, that's the correct number. No. Mr. Kevin, you made mistake. 091 300 651. Remove that 9 and put 5. 65170. That somebody is saying, let my people have good road. It's not a crime. Let there be hospitals. It's not crime. If you say it's a crime, then you are lying to yourself. One day you will be sick. One day, just one day you will be sick. You will be sick one day. And you will know the importance of those things. A voice was crying at the wilderness. So if you are fighting him, you are fighting your health. You are fighting everything. You are fighting the health of your parents, the health of everyone around you. If you are fighting that man who say, give my people health center, give them good roads. Now today, Udele he filed an application for bail at the Federal High Court. You know what he wrote there? I know it's long. I won't be able to read it out all for you here right now because of your time and my time. As you can see, we just stopped along the road. Hold on. I will post it. Wait. It's in the clear. He's saying the matter of application by Chisoram Harrison of Webu for the enforcement of his fundamental rights. He had the shadow clear. He said Chisoram Harrison, aka Chukuka of Webu, applicant. He says A, Inspector General of Police, Ebukobi of Zion Prayer Ministry, Movement Outreach. Motion on notice brought pursuant to order IV rules 3 and A 461. Please, my brothers, resend the Aram. Say this thing of ma Kogosi of ma. Please. Now I will continue. When they send the clear one, I'll be able to post it so that you will see. But let me tell you, according to what the white paper said, Chukuka Ofebu took notice to the Honorable High Court. He moved an application for bail. He moved an application for bail. I will get the clear pictures and I will send it. I'll post it here or I'll read it out here if he can send it before then. Now, Chukuka applied for bail at the Federal High Court, this Udele. You know what they wrote there? He was saying that the court should grant him bail, that within the prison facility, that there is no good health center at the prison facility, at the correctional center facility, that is applying for bail through his lawyers, that he should be granted bail, that so that he can access good medication outside the prisons, outside the correctional center. And I have one question to ask. Before you talk rubbish, wait and listen to me. This Chigoze who is typing here, make sure no can wait there you. In about speed, this is on and block all here. Now this guy applied for bail. That the court should grant him bail based on medical conditions, based on health issues, that he needs to access good medication. Somebody should take this video I am making now. If you're a blogger, go and bring out the video where this guy said with his own mouth that the federal government should not, that the court should not grant him the kind of bail. The same guy said the same thing, that he should remain in DSS custody. Under which law? Today you are crying for equity and justice, that the rule of law should intervene on behalf of Udele. But while Ndi Igbo was in detention, you never opened your mouth to say that he's now under illegal detention. You didn't do that. Did you do that? Someone should help me tag very dark man, very dark goat. Help me tag that rat. Help me tag that brother who talks from morning till night. Tag him. So the same person who said that Ndi Igbo should not be released, that Ndi Igbo should remain in custody, Ndi Igbo should remain in custody and should not have access to good medical doctors. The same guy, I was on live camera the day this guy just hate him, or just go for nothing about. The very day J-Pack mega program and invited me, he invited me and I went there. This boy joined there. He commented that he wants to join. J-Pack brought him in. If I had known that J-Pack would bring this guy in, I wouldn't have paid attention. Get that very dark goat to be here. Come here. Very dark ewu. This boy, Chuku Kanano on live camera. When I got people not to there, you were hearing these things and you kept quiet. Today, the same person who was busy now one day mother on camera as if nobody knew. The same person is now busy applying for bail. The same person who was going around saying that if the if the police comes to arrest him, that he will buy all of them, that him and this man will come out and buy them. Very dark goat. Where were you that time? Very dark rabbits. Who happens to be a product of misfortune. Very dark dog. You were there talking and you brag too much. You brag. I was here, I was listening to you while you were threatening Okurora. Okay, they threatening Okurora. Your mind all the sharp. You they threatening Okurora, you do this, you do that. You never go do your findings, find out what happened there. Even on the video you made about this Udele. Very dark goats. You later opened your mouth. And now said about that guy, you don't too much for him because you just heard one side story. While you were playing the video on camera, the video proved you wrong. The moment you now heard what he said, you now turned again in the same video. But because you wanted view on Facebook, you wanted to trend on the internet, you still ought to post that video. This guy was busy saying that a Nigerian, as far as I'm concerned, Nnamdi Kanu is still a Nigerian. Forget all this noise. I don't believe in there are politics. If you play it, I will look at you and laugh. He's still a Nigerian. And no other Nigeria has power. No African has power to talk say make it follow African buy, except by the competent law of court of law. So very dark goats, very dark wewu, very dark pusu. You were seeing these things, you did not talk. It is not in my character to insult people. That boy Udele was opening his mouth. Chukwuka saying, very dark man, for you to call him Ijele means the Igbo. I used to hear these things on the social media. I used to watch Blessing CEO saying the. Do you know what it means? Do you know what that means? Look for somebody who understands Igbo. They will interpret this to you. Very dark good. Now, Don Jazzy Joel, see, you don't have a name. You don't even have a name. Irrational. Come on, I will suspend you from this page, this program. Comment rubbish, make I block you. Since you refuse to get sense, this boy was busy. Now, body, Agwa people, Igbo body, and a mother. Very dark man. You have a mother. What stops you from coming to the internet and tell your sisters, Igbo body, your sisters? What stops you from coming to the internet and tell your mother, Igbo body, your mother? Or Igbo body, your sister? Do you know what that means? Very dark goats. Look for an Igbo to interpret this to you. Now he's applying, he's Nicodemusly applying for bail based on health challenge, health issues. Do you know Udele wrote there that he faints 5 times a day? I will post it, you will see it. But this boy opened his mouth. Jeff Ike, come and I suspend you from here till this program is over. You look like somebody who just borrowed data. If you use this one and block, okay, take a negative chance and see. If you talk ban, I block you from this picture. Comment, you can block okay here. Where is very dark goat? Come. Dark ewu. Your life na muzzle. You didn't need think it your armpit. Lift your armpit like this on the mirror and check. If she were done from the shape of human being power, would you thank you for the 200 stars? I know they bleach on a light, oh. I know they bleach. If I cover the side, they dark. It's my car light, pop and if I cover my light, you see, I left the light on so that you may know. Yeah, walking motor. Oh, one bingo. I use good cars, brand new. So this boy, me proni asika kanu wona je na kanu wodia. Thank you for the 35 stars. Is Chukuben. So this guy was busy posting steady, saying that the federal government are going to run the Kano bail. So at the end of the day, okay. So at the same time, he's not even Kano is more better than. See, check here, my backup page right now. Can post to these ones there now. Or send the alley again. Can post to here there Kijanyagi wefo. The same person to Kakano. Go to the page of the people's governor. Go to the page of the people's governor right now. Check and download, or you just send them the now. So at the post time right away, at the post time, go and see, tell bloggers to come. Governor Zogo in charge. If anyero. Go to the page of the people's governor. You see me, you still see my face. I'm putting on green native. Go and read there for yourself now. I just posted them because they're about 5 pages. Go there and read. I got my post here because of Facebook. Go there and see it right now as I'm here. Yes. I know I was supposed to post it on Telegram. Now Telegram they used to. That Udele. When it was such a post to came mad. He came wine. If I get change, I can see this one. Ndi football and Indiana. Very dark goats. Wait, I am posting it. India football and Indiana. Karma is real. Karma is real. It will meet you according to what you wish others. It will meet you.
Many are in the sanctuary, but we are all kept in your sanctuary.
The same person who said that Nnamdi Kanu should not be granted bail based on health condition. The Shanamites, it's me, your son. Let's come and meet them. Check my backup page. Come on. He said that Nnamdi Kanu should not be granted bail based on health issues. Today, he has admitted before the law court that he faints 3 times a day. Come on. Go to the page now. I just posted it now. Type the people's governor. The people's governor. You meet the page. The people's governor. The people's governor. You see it there. Bansi. Karma is real.
The Bible says, and you marched upon the sea, and Peter was rescued. He returned the word unto you and said, thank you. You gave Sarah a child.
Mbachupro Solomon, what did I promise you? Chokam block Kogi here. Odole nanga batro no go self. Odole nanga batro no go. Say that in this and promise again and let me block you. I will get the Telegram account. I will get it. Petition Jaga for that guy head. Petition Boko. But he was making mouth. He was bragging, threatening, bullying everyone. You know that this guy opened his mouth, say Nambo a rapist, me. Nambo an ex-convict, me. Did you go to confirm? Did you go to do your findings? So I don't know. So, thank you. I will play it again. It's my music. If you chat me on that WhatsApp number they dropped there, I will be able to send it to you. The WhatsApp number, somebody should help me comment down my WhatsApp number there again. Help me comment it again. 091 300 091 300 651 and 70. Everybody he came, man.
No one is like unto you. They got the great Leviathan, which eyes have never.
Let me tell you, there are things you will do. Many Kagiwen sense that does not talk on the internet. They will go at the backyard and put up a fire for you. The smoke will be so high that you cannot withstand it. Oh, those who support evil, karma is coming. Karma is real. It will meet you. Carry your kid. Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. You get where I see for internet today. I think Ndi Igbo will post that thing. My number is 091 091. Hello? Hello? Who is calling me while I'm on live? My number is 091 300 091 300 651 70. That's WhatsApp. All my numbers are on WhatsApp. The 3 or 4 numbers, they are all on WhatsApp. Ebina. 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 I want to use the People's Governor comment time there, the account, the People's Governor. Now let me tell you this. I got information today and I wept. I say, God, why? One girl. Let me share this video. One girl. And it was posted online. To as many as they didn't involve in that thing, karma will meet you. You will give back to children, right? Mani buru nyozo. Chaya pass. Karma is coming. The Shanamites. Your son is here. I just commented the number. I used the account, the People's Governor, to do so. Let me pin it. That's my number. So he applied for bail. He applied for bail with the same condition Mazen Nnamdi Kanu used. Bail condition. He applied that the court should grant him bail to go get access to a proper medication outside the prison's custody. So now you the wrong. So now you the wrong. After you were mocking your brothers. Ken Ole Wanegi. Ole Wanegi. So this man who has been in custody for years now. So you never had sympathy on your brother. Forget about religious matter. So what stops you? Is him not the kind of prophet or a pastor? Does he own a church? You took him as contract. One, no, take note. Oh, I've never supported anybody anymore here. As far as I'm concerned, Sophie Bwebe, ne sunya Igbo oko, Igbo an animal.
Lord, I thank you. They shall abide on glory.
A lot of Igbo people will be abroad, be US, be UK, United Kingdom, Germany, who were busy sponsoring these things before. Today you cannot come home. That is karma. But all the same, the side of truth I picked around Nnamdi Kanu is the areas of split power. Split power. Work for the common man. Now he's applying for bail. They said Udele defense. Go read them there, and I don't post them for the other page, the People's Governor. Read for yourself there. He was making. Let me shock you today. You get one blogger, will be my friend. Today they arrest him for airports. Contact no be mouth, no they make mouth. Shut up. That person will use the make mouth. If they watch you for video, he go verse for you. One big blogger who happens to be my friend. Today they travel abroad, they hold him for airport. Then track and come airport hold him. Now dear, we use phone like this peacefully. Adjust and saying go console so they no need to arrest this guy. Make no missing flight. All the while, these things took place today. Did you see any of us? Did you see me come online to brag, to use it to chase clout? He will still say it with his own mouth at the appointed time. You don't always make noise on the internet. That judge, that person, that governor, that senator you're using to make mouth may be watching you. They will know the level of things they will tell you. They will know where they will grade you to be. This one was busy ranting, making mouth from money. Do you know that this very dark goats, very dark ewi? Did you know that this boy, this rat, opened his mouth and said that he will buy the Nigerian police? Did you know that this guy, the charge holding him is not that he said they will be your fake? Go and say that is none of my business. He opened his mouth and said that he will buy Zion members, that he will buy them on camera. Very dark and be. Show where are you not seeing these things? Today you want to be a good man. You finish flying at the winds of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now you want to use the Udele to not work. You not go walk. Somebody. Okay. So after you said that Nnamdi Kanu should not be granted bail based on health condition, based on health basis, you are now applying for bail, stating clearly that you faint 3 times a day. Udele they faint. Content creators, I don't know what you guys are doing. They stated there that he faints 3 times daily. After you mocked your brother. Go TV, go to the People's Governor's page. Go there, I have posted evidence. Udele jironi agwa court, gwa Federal High Court. Niane fenti 3 times in a day. Na biko Kenya bell. Kiagaga water medication somewhere. Go. Check the People's Governor's page. Carry am na I say all one update now. Except I no one give that one. Udele say in defense, say for prison, for correctional center, they give a medicine. Say if he apply, say they take am 1 month before they go give am paracetamol. Say make judge pity and now, make they give am bail, make him go drink medicine outside, say go come back. Attire say you say they show up before camera that time. We go buy now. We go cocoa. We go shoddy. We go bring guys come. We go pursue now. So you are having a test of what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has had for years, yet he did not give up upon his vision. Hey, so here he wishing one negi. That thing he wishing one negi no one. I can beg him book reza kagi no. This is he say be strong man. He dey make math. The other rabbit nigga will get to put it when they managing page. Where you if say they're strong, if for they die your own country, if for no wrong go Germany. The other ewu through what be what did they record that one? Say we get BS. When they say be DB Akonuche or something. DB ewu. See, forget I'm not joking. No, leave sentiment apart. Pay attention. Go and listen to that one. We say he's DB and Honor. Go and listen to that one. He has never made sense for once. I challenge you. Go and bring one video where he made sense. You lived abroad and you could not make it there. You are not back. You are back to Africa. Blogging. May go that place. Go there blog. You couldn't meet up in Germany. Also, nonsense. Come on, Meshano. In the name of the Spirit, you a rabbit digger. Abroad, who know, like you didn't get anything there. On your foggy real life, any day you wear good clothes, you might be on a camera. Or the coco make. No common sense. He has never made. When you say Nibu Dibia Akonuche, make sure that wisdom is beckoned. Do you know what it takes us to study while you are pressing phone? Since morning, since yesterday evening, did you see me online? Did I post anything? If not for this update, I need to take my time, think about life, think of certain things. And besides, it is my new moon program. So you have never made sense in Germany. You couldn't make sense in Turkey. You couldn't make sense even when you got back to your village. And you want to make sense at the internet. Oga, haba. Now because I said that, everybody feel I am. You not ever see me before now. I never insult very dark man before. I never insult that one. I never not even notice him. Now based on in lie like this, and they look the guy say, this is one a human being. No, I don't know say na Friday idiot. Mugune wonyobo. Do you know you can still have money and still become an anuewu? I know why I put it that way. Do you know some people are so foolish that the only thing they have in the whole world is money? I don't know how. See, you are wealthy in your pocket, but your brain is not healthy. You have wealth in your pocket, but your brain is not reasoning. I don't know how you guys see these things. I was talking with somebody today and I made him to understand that you were a poor man yesterday. You didn't go to school. You did not learn any handwork. You are not a contractor. Nothing. Your father did not give you billions of naira. All of a sudden, you were poor yesterday, but as at this morning, you are now a billionaire. Somebody is crying somewhere. You have definitely defrauded somebody somewhere. Until you begin to have this mentality not to value money. The moment you don't value, as in you are not ready to do anyhow because of money, believe you me, money will respect you. One of the highest investment I have today is trust. And everybody is fighting it. Some people just they don't like me because of say Governor Zoku go talk am as him be no go fear. It is my grace. Mbato go hana won that go to only go 5 years you see well go this year because of one person. Imo onya enough. This nye go ko ngoro gba yere gi na oko like this on e ron na agba na ba. Because I want to see a commoner wipe his tears and celebrate the goodness of the Lord. So, Udele, if anybody tells you that by now he can't sell, if anybody tells many of you that the pit this guy dug for somebody, he's now inside the pit, this is the way karma operates. Another message, you are oppressing somebody somewhere because you have one commissioner of police, one AIG, one DIG, one CSP. One day that CSP will use you to get promotion. One day that DIG will use you to get promotion. Because let me tell you one thing, you cannot pretend for too long. One day your nemesis will find you. Nobody knows where you are hiding your secret, but karma knows there. Karma has just gripped this one. Kenole one negi, mananambonye one name. This is where I will leave you right now. The good news is that Udele, I still want you out to. No, that's one good thing with me. I want you back, bro. I want you back. I need you to come back. If actually you will learn, because I believe by now you've learned. I believe you've learned. We want you back. But listen to me. That should be the difference between you and I. I want you back, sound and healthy. But let your I wish you a brain reset. You need at least a sound. Your brain lens, they should be touched. Maybe you've stayed out of sun for a while because I want it too much than not. You understand? So I thought you are superhuman, that you will never fall sick. So it is for you to know. Maybe you faint every day, as you say though. Udele says that he faints 3 times a day. 3 times a day. See, Udele has been there for about 40 days now. About 40 days now. So if he faints 3 times a day, Udele has fainted 120 times since he got there. Udele faint to go 120 times or 130 something times right now, because I got to go 40 days. So you are now a fainting Udele. Faint Udele. He wants to see you. Maybe that way that side, if you just finish talking for social media, you could go find somewhere. Fainting Udele. But your brother Nande cannot apply for bail, and you sticked. You were busy blogging, writing every day, writing on the internet that they should not grant him bail based on health or medical basis. You opposed it on the internet. Today you are now a fainting baby. We've never gotten the report that Nande Kanu has fainted once. Even upon what happened to him, na country she may arrest. I know here saying faint. So you are not a master fainter. Somebody should hail him as a fainter. Fenty baby. Fenty Ijele. Ijele the fainter. Udele the fainting Udele. See, the Guinness, what do they call them? Guinness World Guinness record, right? That's what they call them or something. They need to bring Udele. Udele will faint 135 times under 41 days. Believe you me, that guy will carry an award for fainting. He's a fainting ambassador. They should make him the fainting ambassador or the winner of fainting in the whole world. Ijele, Udele, you happen to be the highest fainter That time your mouth was ranting. I never knew that you were a fenter. No, don't worry. Udele the fenter. Fenting Udele. Udele fenter. Ooh. I do mistakes, self. If I had known, just like that time when I first come, when I first appear for camera, I suppose first pour something for my mouth as I just come for live camera. Say, oh, Udele, oh, Udele. I go do like I don't faint. Then the thing go attract more people for video. They go to watch me. I go do like I don't faint. I go just pour something with the like foam. Crowd like 1,000 persons go to watch me and say this guy they for live video. They faint. If the side know now, waiting for do that time. By now, 1,000 persons for they watch me. Then at that point, as I just they wake up, I go tell them and say, Udele don't recruit me as one of his fenters. He's now a fenting baby. He has Udele fent like today. Okay, Udele has a Guinness World Records on fenting. Yes, my brother. Yes, at least use it to create content. King of the game has become king of fenting. King of fenting. I never knew that Udele has this kind of talent hidden inside of him. I never knew that Udele can comfortably fent 3 times a day. I don't know why. At least all these friends that were in Germany, with the man there on see Igbo body in Nigeria. Let me shock you. There is a lady who had Udele, who footed the bills of Udele's lawyer in Turkey, but the lady is in the United States. Do you know what it takes for this lady to withdraw and say, now so your life be? But I was only helping you. I'm telling you, I know. If not me, if not him get this kind of information, I'm gonna about war. If not, I call. But I respect people's privacy. This lady advised to Udele. He say, hey, no go this level, no go this lane, no. Don't try this, so don't try that. Oh. This lady angrily left. The kind of obu name anything not Onya. It's just at that time of him intimidate na Turkey. She showed concern. She brought out money, brought out contact, pushed in everything. This guy came back and was shouting thank you. The moment Okoya drop on Nigeria, bam, Ogachota that 1 room and parlor on a zone me that will on a zone me and Abuja or on our camera, bam. Because they fight him and say the person again. He started fighting the same person who brought him out. I am telling you this that you know, so I know the 2 day, I know go just they tell you something. King of Fenton. Before you know it, this Fenta came back to Nigeria. Wow! He started fighting the same lady. The same, what an ungrateful attitude. What an ungrateful lifestyle. The king of Fenton started fighting this person who once helped him. Karma is real. Hey, can't go to Chimegu before upon a video. Inyegekele Anabiawo Ijagi mani mere. I am a mercy to you. Thank you, Jesus. The God who controls the earth with karma. No one to compare you. You are not asking for medical attention. Medical clinical. Those lawyers Can deny you go there bail, he will come out. But based on medical condition, no. Igwe Fenton, one of Africa, is now Udele. His lawyer stated it clearly there, and on a Fenton 3 times a day. Somebody who fence 3 times in a day for 40 days has won an award of Fenton across the globe. The people go and ask people who has given Udele $100, $1,000, $500 as support. The very day they advised him for one thing was the day he fought them. Go and verify this thing I'm telling you. You oppose the bad condition of your brother. You were on the internet ranting because you thought that, let me tell you one thing, anybody who bought the head of your brother from you will never trust you. Anybody, let me tell you, in the military, what do they call it? There's something my uncle calls it. In military. He says, the moment you come and betray your people to them, even if you're wearing khaki, your brothers, they will come for you. VDM. Very dark monkey. The V stands for very. The D stands for dark. The M stands for monkey. So all the Udele want epilepsy now in prisons. Name me on the Fenton 3 times a day. The chief fenter of Africa. One of the best fenters I've ever seen is Udele. Udele fented to the extent that they had to file it to court. The such judge needs to give him an award of fenting. Do you know that this boy, Mepronia, more Igbo heroes, check on my page now. He opened his mouth. Sin Ndi Igbo that our heroes, our ancestors, so Lord the Civil War. Na habu rapist, Oshi, na harobro bank na Bini. The video is on my page. Check the 2 pages. See that the people's governor or here. Did you say Emmanuel Jeff? Cherekamuri Egi. If Roti Chaga, if Redeka here, emisila blood. He said no the wrong to hold him for that long. How many times did you post? Nanam de kanu neji fegoya. Reply na can block all this place. Can return like it doesn't insult to the people. How many times did you type na court eji fegoma Nanam de kanu because he think na federal government gebu one whiskey, but in the kuzoku na basuru Udele. Not the wrong Egypt there for that time. He's charged to court if you don't know. He has been remanded to prison custody for something days now. In a called bullshit. In a called jargon that place. Where you boy can you on camera and say that Nnamdi Kanu should go? That is, can you try that thing? Do you have the mind and the courage? Is it to sit by the corner and be screaming what you don't even understand? Come and get your one bottle of beer and that is all you all here pass it. Man, I can't that thing. What stops you from typing that and the kind of no failure? I was using this my face to say it. I went to that court 3 times. You'll be that egu. This boy opened his mouth. This boy was saying so all manner of things. He might pay obu money me pon near threatening the police. Do you know what it means? He was saying these things boldly And none of you were able to condemn that. None of you were able to caution him. You all kept quiet. Today, he has applied for bail and the Federal High Court that he's fainting. He faints 3 times a day. I never knew that you can faint like this. Otherwise, we would have gone for an award. If I had known that fainting is your talent, fainting is your occupation, Udele, we would have gone for an award. You would have won an award instead of coming to the social media to rant. You should have at least gone for fainting. You would have won Guinness world record. You should have been included now as one of the best fainters of Africa or the whole world. People will honor you. People will respect you. Look at what people are typing. Somebody just said, oh, I can't see that comment. He said here in Europe, if you threaten someone's life or police, or policeman's life, he said you will be in prison till your final judgment. They're first to come online to show. Okay. What was it on there? Because I don't want to read that one. So somebody can rise comfortably in your country. Gabo police. Somebody could just wake up from here asking you go buy police. Those police people when they try to say you go buy police, you go buy army. Now person papa. Now one innocent woman husband be that. She no do bad and marry that man. No. If you don't know. Yeah, they said the lawyers said that he has been fainting since, but today they calculated it according to the application they filed at the court today for bail that he faints 3 times a day. So Udele now acknowledged. I know I had to post it so that you have it. Udele now acknowledged that he faints 3 times a day. His lawyers calculated it. Udele calculated it before they file any application for bail to you. I mean, in your behalf, they will let you know. They will read it before you. So they read it before him. And do they acknowledge that he faints 3 times a day, thrice a day, so that he needs a medical attention from Germany, Japan, or suit for prison transfer. They can transfer you anytime they want. Anytime you want to come to court, they will bring you from Imo State to that place. That's the simple truth. So I never knew that you faint like this. I never knew that you are a fainting daddy. But this very dark goat says that you are somebody's father. So is this the way you faint in your house, Udele? You faint every day, you faint every minute. But Ndi Kanu has never fainted, so I don't understand. And Kanu is older than you, almost your father. He's not your mate. So upon how old Ndi Kanu is, he has not fainted for once. Despite what happened at Kenya. Is it Kenya? Yes. He never fainted. There has never been any record that he fainted for once. He only complained of his health issues. And you post it on the internet. Right now, you are acting fainting season 1. No, season 3, because I heard that you faint 3 times a day. Go and read it there now. What are you guys waiting for? Go and read. Money, I'll pay it. So, I never knew that. Udele is a good fenter. Hey, come and drive. Whoa, you come and drive. Let's go. So I never knew that this my brother is a very fainting. He has talent of fainting. That is what he said. Okoye Chukuka. See, he says his lawyer stated that he faints 3 times a day. So, Fentin Daddy, Udele, now look at his name. His name should be King of Fentin. That's his first title. The other one should be Nelson, okay, Harrison, Fentin, Udele, Chuguka. You cannot insult heroes who these people fought for you to stay alive today. Where are these people now? Mind how they enter. I don't want their faces to show. Come on, bro. Enter now, enter. Yes, I'm still on live video, Batagodi. Yes, Batano. Officer, but behind you, Bata. Tell him to come in now, okay? So, finally, the body high. So I never knew that Udele. You know how many? When I don't have to, I'm not gonna tell yourself. You know gonna sign on that. Udele file motion say make court to grant and bail, make him go treat himself. But at the same person we say make man send down the cano, no make him no get bail. But him now in lawyers they right now say in defend 3 times a day for prisons. The paper this thing day and the court application day and I don't post them. I don't post them online now. I don't know the guy supposed to carry a award for Fenton. Who will Fenton in a day? You don't ever see that kind of thing. Somebody admit saying they fent 3 times a day, which means in if you stay 30 days, if you stay 1 month for prisons, that's 90 times. Somebody will fent 90 times in a month. You not supposed to carry a award. No, nobody serious now. Somebody will fent 90 times. Somebody will don't fent 90 times. They're supposed to carry and come for government house, making the fent for Tinubu. You don't know? Yes, sir. Somebody will just stay, will fent. Somebody will fent. Somebody will get mind. You get mind. You go fent until 90 times a month. Guy, this will give you a word of fenting. Now fenting be your occupation. Fenting back. So I'm of the opinion that Udele should release him, then give him a job of fenting at the government house. Anytime we want go protest, anytime we want go do federal government will no agree. No, just fent. We can't go there. Once we wait for government house, he go fent. I want to fenting them now. If okay there, aqua ball, What's an aqua ball in a village here? Or put a banana village here, ball. You don't understand? The village hand is a goal. Get fent here. Ima, the thing I may broke up. So fenting and why you headed there? At least why you hear this kind of emoji? Help me share this video. Guinness Book of Record of fenting. Go and remove that emoji you put down. You want to stop this live video? So Guinness Book of Record. Guinness Book of Record. We have an award winner of fenting in Abuja, Kefi prisons. This guy fents thrice a day. If you comment, Uguaba, for you to answer Uguaba, one mother is Uguaba. Who does Uguaba? What am I block? God is as this kind themselves. No, because of this, you never block him immediately. Yeah, boy, I'm mad. I beg. Go to marriage as Uguaba. Come on, Podia. Why it as Uguaba? Who named you Uguaba? Why would you answer Uguaba? Is that Ugu village? Fenting tone. I don't know why. I don't know why. People will leave their talent. They'll be doing what is not right. They'll do what's not good. No, before God and man, if like me go fend 3 times. If I go fend 3 times in a day, I don't make a move. My God Almighty. Me. See, no, more live play. Obviously, I know they play. See, if you go fend 3 times in a day, you don't make a. You know what I tell you? If I don't go where they sell food, I go just fend, they will give me food. Guys, see this guy. If
you go for bank,
if I go for bank, since they keep the 2 months, I go just fend. They go just give me money, I will come out. You don't know. With fenting as your talent, if I go mortuary or hospital, I go just fent, everybody go run. Or if you enter Okada, once you just cut down, you fent. The Okada go run. You go your way. This is a very good talent we will delegate, I tell you. Me, I'm telling you, the guy is so talented. God is helping him. The value of fenting. No, I know they play. Nah. Okay, man. Get Otin on I am to get 3 times in a day. No man, you fent to the day. If I can fent 3 times in a day, in my hand game, I also got new government has. I hope was them my fent ya. In my event, any hope on what I hope was them. Gay Ghana Nanke Fubara, Governor of River State. Gani who government has got their fent ya.